After selling PayPal for $1.5 billion to eBay, Elon Musk's net worth was $180 million. Then he invested $100 million on SpaceX. Now SpaceX is worth almost $200 billion. The goal of Elon Musk's company SpaceX is to establish a colony on Mars before 2030. Elon Musk founded SpaceX in 2002. Then SpaceX attended their first launch of Falcon 1 rocket in 2006. It was not successful. Then back-to-back two more launches, Falcon 1 Flight 2 and Flight 3, also failed. Elon Musk faced back-to-back 3 failures and he lost millions of dollars.
That third failure in a row, did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
Why not?
I don't ever give up.
There are people who've been in the rocketry business for decades who say about you that you don't know what you don't know.
Well,
Then Elon Musk sold his house and borrowed money from his friends, and somehow he managed to launch another rocket, Falcon 1 Flight 4. It was a very successful mission. Then SpaceX got $1.6 billion deal with NASA. And now SpaceX is working with US military, NASA and private companies. SpaceX is a very profitable company because they are making billions of dollars in profit every single year. But the question is, how does SpaceX actually makes money?
Liftoff.
This year alone, SpaceX will make more rocket engines than the rest of U.S. production combined. That's a lot of rocket engines.
SpaceX has been really exciting. It has revolutionized the public's interest in space exploration and rockets and sending humans back into space.
Much like the Tesla automobile, they do it their own way. And they take risks.
So SpaceX has got many government contracts because SpaceX rockets are much more cheaper than any other companies. Elon Musk found out that 80% of the rocket parts come from different companies and different countries. That's why the cost of making rockets was very high. And Elon Musk managed to make all the rocket parts in his own factory. Now 90% of the SpaceX rocket parts are built by SpaceX's own factory. And they also make reusable rockets. That's why for SpaceX, it doesn't cost much money to launch rockets and satellites into the space. That is the reason why US government wants to work with SpaceX. NASA pays SpaceX for launching payloads into the space, resupplying the International Space Station or ISS. And SpaceX has secured contracts with government agencies, specifically NASA and US military.
Washington Post reporting that NASA has selected Elon Musk's SpaceX and only SpaceX for a $2.9 billion award. This is specifically for Starship. That's that reusable rocket and capsule system under development. You've seen some of those test flights.
Another important income resource for SpaceX is commercial launches. Basically, SpaceX conducts commercial satellite launches for private companies and organizations around the world. By offering reliable and cost-effective launch service, SpaceX generated revenue from commercial customers seeking to deploy satellites into the orbit. By the way, SpaceX's most advanced rocket is Falcon Heavy, and SpaceX Starship is the largest and most powerful rocket ever. And I will make a video about Starship in the future, so if you are interested, make sure you subscribe to this channel. SpaceX made $3.5 billion in revenue last year from space launches. But now it is SpaceX's smallest business. Turns out SpaceX now makes most of the money from Starlink. SpaceX is actively involved in Starlink project, which aims to provide global satellite-based internet to the subscribers. So you can pay around $200 per month for high-speed internet from space. Starlink has almost 3 million users. And Starlink generated $1.4 billion in revenue last year. And the company worth almost $75 billion. So this is how SpaceX makes billions of dollars in profit every single year. SpaceX make money from NASA and US military and from private companies and Starlink. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me. I will see you in the next video.